To write an equation that goes through a certain point and is perpendicular to a particular line, we need to first identify a slope that would be perpendicular to a specific line. Now, in order to be perpendicular, the slope must be the negative reciprocal of the original slope. You'll notice here that our slope is 3. We can express that as 3 over 1 if we wanted to make it into a fraction. The negative version of 3 over 1 would be negative 3 over 1. And the reciprocal of that would be 1 over negative 3. So I've gotten the negative reciprocal. So the slope that we're going to use in this particular problem is going to be 1/3. It also tells us that we have to use the point 5 comma negative 2. So my x1 is going to equal 5, and my y1 is going to equal negative 2. I'm going to use point slope form and then show you how to convert it into slope intercept form. Remember, point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. Now I know what my y1 is. It's a negative 2. I know what my m is. It's a negative 1/3. And I know what my x1 is. It's 5. Everything else trickles down. And to clean it up just a little bit, I'm going to turn any double negative into a positive. So the equation of a line that goes through the point 5 comma negative 2 and is perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 7 is y plus 2 is equal to negative 1 over 3x minus 5. Now I'm going to show you how to use this particular problem and change it into slope-intercept form. First, let's rewrite it. So what I'm going to do is take this negative 1/3 and multiply it into the parentheses, getting me negative 1/3 x plus 5 over 3. Now, to isolate the y, I'm going to have to subtract 2. I'm subtracting 2 wholes. So I get, y equals negative 1 over 3 x. Let's see, 5 over 3 is 1 2/3. I'm going to take full 2 away from that. I can use my graphing calculator to do this. I'm going to do parentheses 5 divided by 3, close the parentheses, minus 2. I hit enter. I get a negative 0.3 repeating. I can hit the math button, enter, enter, and I get a negative 1/3. So minus 1/3. This is my equation in slope-intercept form. My slope is negative 1/3, and actually my y-intercept is also negative 1/3.